Miss McMillan here with a quick video about how to find a book with Destiny Discover. Either download the app or click on the link on our JV website. Scroll down to see ebooks, recently added books, or lists of popular titles. I like to browse by topic. For example, here I'm choosing horror. Now if I press See All, I will see all of the horror books in our collection. Ebooks are below, and I can also sort by author or recently added. It's easy to filter by subject within the topic. So here I'm clicking on different letter combinations to see all of the topics within horror. So for fun, I'm choosing magic. I can log in to place a hold or add it to a list of favorites or collections. Now, when you choose a book, you'll see if it's in by the green sticker, or you can scroll down and press copies to see how many are available. If the book is checked out, place a hold. Remember, you must be logged in to hold a book. You may also like Show's recommended titles. Use the call number to find the book on the shelf. Fiction is organized by author's last name. You can also use the search bar. I typed in magic and got a list of books about magic, or you can use the drop-down to search by your Lexile level. Press the drop-down next to keyword to choose title, author, or subject search. That's it. Now go and find your books.